Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. In today's video, we would see how to make rose plants very healthy and more bushier. I am going to give you exact formula with many updates, and in case your plants are not growing well or blooming, this video is going to help you. Here you can already see some of my rose plants. Huge plants with lots of buds. Leaves are quite big too, and all the plants are totally disease free. Let's see what we need to do. Step number 1. We need to prune our plant. In tropical climate like India, hybrid roses bloom well in winter. So we need to prepare our plants from September onwards. Or we can also do it when there is a temperature difference of 10 degrees Celsius between daytime and nighttime. I am also doing hard pruning. If you are not okay with it, please do soft pruning. As you can see, I have pruned my plant really hard. Pruned all the branches and made it short. I believe you have already seen that I pruned this branch above the new shoot. Please try to do the same for all branches if possible. Step number 2. I am going to repot my plant, and this time using a much bigger pot. The size of the pot is 14 inch wider and 14 inch deeper. You can use smaller pot if you like. For example, 10 inch wider and 10 inch deeper. Step number 3. For potting soil mix, taking 60% normal garden soil and rest 40% vermicompost. Step number 4. It's time to repot, and here we need to use few important components. The first one is 50 grams mustard cake powder. The second component is 50 grams bone meal. The third component is 30 grams neem cake powder. We are going to add more components, but before that, let's adjust the plant. We are also going to use 3 more components. The first one is Biovita seaweed extract. As I am using a bigger pot, applying 10 grams, which is 2 teaspoons. The second one is Epsom salt, using 10 grams. It's going to help the plant to produce large green leaves, and most importantly, Epsom salt helps any plants from transplanting shock. Whenever we repot a plant, they always get a shock which is known as transplanting shock. Epsom salt helps to reduce it. As I have pruned the roots of our plants, it's a good idea to use Epsom salt. Finally, the third component is Trichosp. It's an organic fungicide, and it's going to protect the roots from many fungal diseases. The dose is 5 grams for 1 pot. If you like, you can also mix this with 1 liter water and apply in the soil. Step number 5. I did hard pruning, and that's why there is a high chance that it would get affected by dieback disease. To prevent this, we need to use fungicide. For that, I am using SAF, and it's a chemical fungicide. The dose is 2 grams in 1 liter water. Please avoid spraying on the soil, or else it may damage the organic fungicide which we have applied on the soil. This is the same thing I did with all of my rose plants, and this is an update after 40 days. Let's take a look at some more updates, and then we are going to take a look at other important things to do. So guys, you have seen the complete updates. Quite satisfied with the result, and I hope you are as well. During all these days, I had to apply more things. Please note, you may think that it's too much. But honestly saying, keeping hybrid rose plants happy is not that easy, especially in my place which is hot and humid. The most important component which I have been using is Super Sonata. Not at all promoting any products here, but trust me, it works so well that you would get shocked after using it. The dose is 1.5 ml in 1 liter water and then spray on your plants. Try to spray on both surfaces of the leaves. Basically, it's a growth promoter. In case your plants are not growing even after doing many things, try applying this and you would see the result just after applying once. Very important note, avoid spraying Super Sonata too frequently or else plants are going to be leggy. Using once in 45 days to 2 months would be fine. Because of Super Sonata, leaves on my plants are quite big too. No any diseases, and I also haven't used any kind of pesticides. But in case you are able to see any pest attacks on your plants, then please try to use Theta. It works so well on roses and dose is 1.5 ml in 1 liter water. The second important component is fertilizers. This time I tried a new one and so far it's working well. It's Takat and available on Amazon. The dose is 5 ml in 1 liter water and we can apply once in 25 to 30 days. Let me also show you the exact step to apply this. Do a little bit tilling and let the topsoil dry out, and if possible avoid watering that day. Next day the soil is going to look like this. Now you can apply the liquid fertilizer. I am applying almost 1.5 liter for one plant. Is Takat really important? Well, no actually, and I am not going to recommend you to use it in case you have lots of plants because it's bit costly. So what to do in such case? Last year I have shared another formula to get lots of flowers on our rose plants. All the components are much cheaper, and for more details please do check out the next video. I hope you found this video useful and I would really love to get your feedback on this video. It really helps me a lot. Also please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you for watching, take care and enjoy.